Yeah. These are old.
One thing I notice about we is if you're not the people them where stay away too long, if they be intimidated when they come, and it is an intimidating environment sometimes, especially when you get approached by certain people. Yeah, but because you stay with too long, and because you're used to everybody at twang around you.
Yes. And nobody not talk to you.
Right.
Not a soul that speak to you. No time at all.
Right. People are gonna chat to you out there. Whether then they beg you, then they compliment you, then they get you to buy something, then you see what I say? Yeah. It's like sensory overload. It's like, I'm not used to this. Don't talk to me, don't talk to me. I right here some blood clot like them there. Where juicy beef gone? Oh God.
I know you saw the juicy beef there.
Babe, I just saw the juicy beef there. See who like the sitting there gone take down. Ja. I forgot to find one juicy beef, man.
No, see the juicy beef up there, sorry.
Oh, my heart.
Your heart.
My heart. And juicy been there since before I was a boy.
Because I know I never had this juicy beef there.
I was a egg with a H.
A piece. I said, oh wait, up let's say you did park the last
Can
time.
park in there somewhere. So. Some can go up in there somewhere. Yeah. Bumbo cloth in there. Pack up. Yeah, I go up in there.
Mommy, they sell mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Oh, they sell cheese.
That's not mac and cheese, girl. That's pineapple.
Then I found out.
Yeah, really.
I know what it is.
Come on.
No.
Hold this now.
You did it. Why this one? Milani, this one.
Charlie's on here.
Mama. I want to say. No, I want you to say Uncle Mama. And look at me. Uncle Mama.
Here, car. You know, we used to think they cars are expensive, you know. But they used to. Yes, ma'am, they can bring
Should end up on the pedestrian crosswalk, so.
Still, maybe I'm like.
You used to think are expensive, man. Every time they are 2,500, 1,500 off for one of them something there. And you think of all the money that you have. And you have to pick me.
Look at me. But guess what? It's.
Dolly, you see?
What, Milani? Is it over here? Turn right now.
Man, some Miss Dolly. Some mothers here. I don't want to try a mother's patina just to compare.
Oh my God. Touch my nose.
This one heavy machinery, I feel, you know. You have to drink up your sustenance. Well, I feel, but
And she they want, she they pull it down.
No, she the one for the next side over there, so you never see.
Yes.
As her skirt fly up, she look for me.
Malani, put in your drinks in the car, please.
So the woman them no mind when their skirt fly up. They must have on shorts under there or something. Yeah, baggy under there.
Do people even
Low and G-string.
wear bloomers anymore? From Buckley. Listen, they come back in a style now.
Low and G-string under there.
Nice, man.
Big pum pum peacock.
Alright.
Window. Malani.
Malani, sit down.
Malani, don't do that.
I want it, banana.
I'm gonna close your window.
What?
Keep your head inside or I'm closing your window. If the brother know how we car just dolly around him just now.
Nice.
Oh my God, I would be walking in the bushes for the rest of the day. Cause that was God alone. I see why I almost dead, I don't even know. Alright, Costa, play music.
Yeah.
What's on no passenger part? Alright, that's it, not this one. I think I hear
the ear and the humidity drop them out.
Yeah.
Somebody is sticking on the coconut.
Yeah, but hold on, you can't pluck them.
They're too easy. Please buy the apple.
Ma'am, seriously?
Yes, seriously. Here's the apple skiers.
You know, bumbo all that.
Wait, take out the little bit of money first. Please.
2 grand. What go on? Oh, okay, I go.
Daddy, can I come?
No.
Can I come? Daddy, I want to come. I want to come, Daddy. Oh, pandas. Why did your hair was raining?
Because I was on vacation.
What?
Because I'm on vacation.
What did you say?
I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation.
Mommy, what's she getting?
Aki.
Aki? What's that his name? Name Aki.
His name is Aki. Divine Aki.
Aki. Mommy, are you the bananas? Mommy, are you the bananas?
You're Aki.
I thought they were
Yeah, me think me have few $100.
Mommy, can I come with you?
Oh, give one tip in the
In the hooks them on this.
Mommy, can I come with you?
Melanie, I'm not going anywhere.
Mommy,
You know, save me, save it for the pepper shrimp. 1, 2,
can I get the
Okay.
money from my daddy?
Oh, Melanie!
Mommy, can I have an apple?
What apple?
You're at 14.
Yes, dear.
Baby.
These are old. What are we in? But the outside.
What's the outside?
Yes, mommy.
Mommy, I can see your face.
You can see my face.
In the mirror. Like so.
Melanie, did your father marry? Your torment.
Tom, miss.
Come down.
Why? No, Thomas.
What Malani say?
She don't say nothing. She don't talk about them there.
You want to come out, mommy? Come.
You want to get up?
What happened, Papa? Malani, come here. Nothing. Just showing her right here. You want to come? Come.
Hello, mommy.
Hi.
Come on, we're going. Inside, Munchie, inside.
Thank you.
Mommy.
Yes. Let's call the other one. Then. Yeah, we know.
Daddy. Do you eat those?
Yeah, I do eat them, mommy. I'm gonna go call the few others that your dad
Sit down, Melanie, please.
bought and pick those when we go home.
Fresh Aki. There's no fresher than that.
Is that pretty? We couldn't buy all of them. But those are good, I don't know.
Oh, that's good. Touch it.
Continue on A2 for 19 kilometers.
Is that pretty your phone door? Baby, I gotta clean them there?
Yeah, we all clean them. You just call the other bank them to your,
Really?
yeah, freeze them.
Tonight?
I should have
Oh,
come
I mean, for reaching.
Yeah, then when I come down, it's called the one that we clean already and then pick them up.
If my son don't want anyone, I buy, you know. I tell them, say, okay, them scarce. You say, yeah, man, even up here, so them scarce one.
Alright, so,
Because they're not fully up and up yet.
yes.
I don't know, say, Aki have season.
Yes, babe, Aki have season. Why you always think me tell Auntie Cute say we save Aki?
So everything
They
have
go-
their season then.
Yes, they go in and out of season.
Really need for their Jamaica more often still. So yeah, Aki, not only Aki, the other things them we eat, everything we eat are like, you know, in a season. And when you gone out of